the perfect pour. It's more than just showmanship. For your bar, it's the secret to consistency, customer satisfaction, and crucial profits. Inconsistent pours are a silent killer. Overpouring costs you money shot by shot. Underpouring disappoints guests and can lead to negative reviews. Consistency directly impacts your pour cost and your customer's experience. Every extra half ounce adds up, eating into your profit margins. A consistent drink keeps guests coming back. Start with the basics. Train your bartenders to use jiggers for precise measurements. For free pouring, insist on controlled pour spouts and teach the count method for consistent, predictable streams. The count method is simple but effective. Practice pouring water into a measured jigger while counting 1001, 1002. This builds muscle memory for exact volumes. Consistency isn't a one-time training. Conduct regular pour checks, calibrate pour spouts, and use your inventory data to pinpoint any variance issues and provide targeted coaching. The right tools can simplify tracking and training. Backbar helps you monitor every pour, ensuring your team is hitting the mark every time. Ready for a more consistent and profitable bar program? Backbar is the tool that gets you there. See for yourself and create your free account today.